How to send high quality photo on Viber. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily send the high quality photos on from your Viber application. So let me just show you an example from over here. Let's say I want to send, so before you send any photos, let's say I want to send a photo to this person, and what you need to do is simply click on your bottom right corner over here where it says more option, and simply click on settings from here and simply head over to your media section. And as you can see, what you need to do is simply click on this and always make sure it's on excellent quality, not good nor compressed, if you want the high quality photo to be sent or to be received. Then it just, if you want to send high quality photo, it just needs to be in the excellent quality. And once you do that, simply head over to your Viber application and simply click on any of your photo and click send like this, and it will be sent in the highest quality possible. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.